Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are currently in Bucharest, the capital of Romania. We flew in last night from London. So what we're going to do, we're going to explore the city, see the most important attractions here in Bucharest, and then we've got a train tonight that will take us all the way to Deva, north of the country. It's an overnight train. We just booked the tickets here at Bucharest North railway station. First impressions of the country, it's different from anywhere that I've been before. So we are now at the Palace of Parliament, as you can see. This is the world's second largest administrative building after the Pentagon. This palace was built for the dictator Nicolae Ceausescu, who was overthrown and executed before it was completed. This is one of the main things to see here in Bucharest. Actually, it's quite an outstanding building, I must admit. All these old Soviet buildings. Wow. I really like those old Soviet buildings. It's incredible how they still preserve them here. If it was anywhere else in Europe, they would have probably flattened them down and put brand new skyscrapers. I really like Bucharest. Loads of little shops. Food looks very good. Bucharest, as you can see, was the first capital that had oil lamps that illuminated the city. So here we are. It's very hot here today. In England the other day was like nearly -2. And here it's like pretty much summer in UK. So yeah, weather is very nice here in Bucharest. I'm well impressed with this city, I must admit. We are currently in Bucharest North train station. We're going to be catching an overnight train to Deva. Tomorrow we're going to be visiting Corvin Castle. So this is a train that sort of takes all night, and we're probably going to get there in Deva tomorrow morning about 10:30. It's as if our train is arriving now. Let's see. This must be the seating area, as you can see. R1 is carriage number 2, so it should be further down. We'll see. Look at this. So, there you go. So this is the couchette. As you can see, it's a 4-berth. You got your sheets here. I'm gonna be with other probably 3 people in here, so I don't want to film too much inside because there's other people, might make them feel a bit uncomfortable. Yeah, I mean, I've been on trains like this before. It's quite an old one, I must say. This is the toilet. So we're nearly ready to leave. The departure time is 11:45. We should be in Deva about 10:30. So as you can see down there, you've got some seats. You've got this, which is a 4-berth couchette, and then down there you've got sleeper carriage. But the price was quite high for the sleeper carriages, so I just thought I would just get couchette.
Ăștia, domnule, i-am luat din Rotterdam și am călcat-o într-o băltoacă, sunt foarte bun, cu zăpadă, cu apă. Până aici, mi-a intrat o picătură de apă. Special, nu știu. Dar a fost un jet pe care nu l-am simțit acum. Vezi din București? La noi a fost nava, cel mai bun
So we are half an hour away from Deva. From there we will be catching the bus to Corvin Castle. So yeah, I mean these couchettes were quite comfortable. I had quite good sleep, I must admit. The only thing is this train is very slow. So if you do this journey, be prepared. make sure you bring loads of water, loads of food, because there isn't a buffet wagon or anything like that. You cannot buy any food on board. This is our bus to Hunedoara. Price is 17 lei, and as I said, the station is just down there where that Carrefour supermarket is. So you'll have to walk up here. There's a bus station here. The tickets you pay on board, I guess. So if you want to go to Corvin Castle, that's how you have to do it. Here we go. We've just arrived at Corvin Castle. I think they're doing some sort of restoration work onto it. So my visit is finished. I had a quick look around. Is it worth visiting this castle? Yes. The only issue is it's a bit difficult to get to this place. So, I mean, we got here with local transport, trains, etc. I said it was 13 hours by night train to Deva from Bucharest, and then we had to get taxi, where we got ripped off by the taxi driver. He told us that it was going to be 60 lei, maximum 70 lei, to get from Deva to the castle here. And then as we were driving towards Corvin Castle, he started going very slow. He said there were some speed cameras. I think he was just having us on, and he charged us 90 lei at the end. I mean, we did say, you told us 60, 70, but yeah, you're gonna argue about it. Next time, I'm just not gonna bother to get any taxis. If I can, I'll probably rather wait and get a bus rather than getting ripped off. Coming here to the castle, it was well worth it, I think, for a quick visit. It's supposed to be one of the best castles in Romania. We are going to be visiting the Bran Castle in when we go to Brasov, but apparently they say this one is much better. Well, we'll see. I will let you know when I visit the one in the Bran Castle in Brasov. We'll see how that one is.